Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I can show you how to manage audio in Forever Winter game. Firstly, you should open options, so click on options, and here on the sort tab you have audio. Click on it. Here we have master volume, sound effects volume, music volume, and voiceover volume. So for example, I wanna mute voiceover and music volume, and I just wanna let master volume. So master volume, this is the main volume level for all volumes. So you can just mute master volume and you will mute all game. So I wanna stay with max on master volume, and I wanna leave here 50% of sound effects volume, and cool, and that's it. To save settings, just click escape, and now we can play with new audio settings. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye.